Alright, hey everybody, this is DarkwingDuckDJ from Epic Soapbox. It's been a while since we hit y'all with an unboxing video, so I bought some shit. Time to unbox it. And we're gonna start with this one over here. Double wrapped, okay. Ah, okay. These are a lot smaller than I thought they would be. See? Alright, set of the Dragon Balls. These are a lot smaller than I thought they would be. Y'all gonna see us summon Shimron another time. It's amazing that they use these big ass boxes just to house little shit. See, look at how much space is in this goddamn box. So they didn't use this whole big ass box for it. Shit don't even make sense. Alright. Anybody that watches Harry Potter, you know this is the Elder Wand, the most powerful wand in history. Avada Kedavra. Fuck with me if you want to. Stand right here. And let's find out what this is. My Quidditch set. There's a lock right here. Okay. Does it not open? Have to push it in. Oh, that's a whole lot smaller than I thought it would be. Alright. But we got the quaffle. We got the two bludgers, and, oh, that doesn't come out at all, or does it? The golden snitch does not come out at all. All right, so, all right, now that all distractions are over. I gotta say, on Amazon, they make the pictures look a whole lot bigger. This much. You got something from the same here? Alright. Do we push you out or no? I honestly thought this and the Dragon Balls and the Quidditch set would be a whole lot bigger, but I'm fucking with it. Alright, so that is my unboxing right now. We will probably have another one shortly. We gotta just make a trip to a store. But until next time, peace out.